In this video, we will show the best studio light kit photography available to buy. At number 10. SMILED RIVE Mini Portable Photo Light. It comes with a carry bag, that makes it extremely easy to carry it anywhere. It is made of high-quality, long-lasting PVC. Fix by button, which makes it easy to install. At number 9. HUKIMOYO LED Panel Studio Kit. It comes with a built-in LED light, provides optimal light for high-quality product shots. Powered by a micro USB charging cable. At number 8. Shopee Double Light Socket with Light Stand. This double socket is made of two sturdy polycarbonate housings, and each socket independently tilts forward or backward for precise lighting. At number 7. HARISON Studio Light. This kit is an excellent package for portraits, product photography and video shoots. The Quad Lux light provides an even and diffused spread. At number 6. Sonia Photography Stand Kit. It is lightweight and sturdy, spring-loading for shock absorption, non-slip locks. Easily fits into a bag made for photography, widely used in small to a large photo studio. At number 5. Generic Umbrella Light Setup. It has a maximum height of approximately 8 feet and a minimum height of 4 feet. It has a maximum load capacity of 2.5 kilograms. At number 4. Syga Portable Small Photo Studio Light. The Photo Light Tent built-in high-brightness white LED, which emits even and average lighting, powered by USB. Simply plug into a PC, laptop or phone charger. At number 3. Osaka Bi-Color Dimmable LED Video Light. The built-in Barndoor allows you to control the spill and shape of the light beam. Strong and durable bottom shoes. At number 2. Simpex Studio Light. This super exciting deal by Simpex contains two of Simpex Studio Light SL30 Soft LED Video Light with all attachments shown. At number 1. Sonia Photography Portable Studio Kit. The direct umbrella mounting. It can be used for videography. High-grade metal construction makes it sturdy and durable.